Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice exponential equation. 2 to the power x minus 9 to the power x is equal to square root of 18 to the power x minus 81 to the power x. 2 to the power x minus 9 to the power x is equal to square root of, we can write this 18 to the power x as 2 times 9 whole to the power x minus, and we can write this 81 to the power x as 9 squared whole to the power x. Next, 2 to the power x minus 9 to the power x is equal to square root of, according to property of exponents, a times b whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n times b to the power n. We can write this 2 times 9 to the power x as 2 to the power x times 9 to the power x minus, according to property of exponents, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m. We can write this power 2 outside the brackets and this power x inside the brackets, like this: 9 to the power x whole to the power 2. Now here we have 2 to the power x, and here we have 2 to the power x, and here we have 9 to the power x, here we have 9 to the power x, and here we have 9 to the power x. So we suppose that let a is equal to 2 to the power x and b is equal to 9 to the power x, and we substitute a and b in this equation, then this equation becomes a minus b is equal to square root of a times b minus b squared. Next we take a square of both sides. A minus b squared is equal to square root of ab minus b squared, and we take a square of this side too. Next, a minus b whole squared is equal to, this square will be cancelled with this square root, and here left ab minus b squared. Now we move this ab and this minus b squared to the left side. A minus b whole squared, this plus ab becomes minus ab at the left side, this minus b squared becomes plus b squared at left side is equal to 0. Next, we can write this a minus b whole squared as a minus b times a minus b, and from these two terms, negative ab plus b squared, we can factor out negative b minus b times, in bracket left, a minus b is equal to 0. Now from here, as you can see, this factor a minus b is a common factor, so we factor out this a minus b as a common factor, and in bracket left, this ab minus this b, a minus b minus b is equal to 0. Next, a minus b times a minus 1b minus 1b minus 2b is equal to 0. Now from here, either this expression a minus b is equal to 0, or this expression a minus 2b is equal to 0. From here a is equal to b, and from here a is equal to 2b. Now recall that we have supposed that a is equal to 2 to the power x and b is equal to 9 to the power x. We have supposed that a is equal to 2 to the power x and b is equal to 9 to the power x. First, in this equation we put the value of a 2 to the power x and value of b 9 to the power x. The value of a is 2 to the power x is equal to, and value of b is 9 to the power x, and we divide both sides by 9 to the power x. This 9 to the power x will be cancelled with this 9 to the power x, and here left 1. So 2 to the power x over 9 to the power x is equal to 1. Now according to property of exponents, a to the power n over b to the power n is equal to a over b whole to the power n. We can write this 2 to the power x over 9 to the power x as 2 over 9 whole to the power x is equal to 1. Next, 2 over 9 whole to the power x is equal to, according to property of exponents, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. We can write this 1 as 2 over 9 whole to the power 0. Now because base is same at both sides, so this x is equal to this 0. X is equal to 0. This is the first solution of this equation. Now in this equation a is equal to 2b. We put the value of a 2 to the power x and value of b 9 to the power x. Value of a is 2 to the power x is equal to 2 times value of b 9 to the power x, and we divide both sides by 9 to the power x. This 9 to the power x will be cancelled with this 9 to the power x, and here left 2 to the power x divided by 9 to the power x is equal to 2. Now according to this property of exponents, we can write this 2 to the power x over 9 to the power x as 2 over 9 whole to the power x is equal to 2. Now because at the left side we have base 2 over 9, so we take log base 2 over 9 of both sides. Log base 2 over 9 of 2 over 9 to the power x is equal to log base 2 over 9 of 2. Now according to this log property, log base b of b to the power a is equal to a. This log base 2 over 9 of 2 over 9 to the power x is equal to this x. So x is equal to log base 2 over 9 of 2. This is the second solution of this equation.